Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve problems on trigonometric identities. Look at the board. Question. Prove that tan A plus cot A is equal to sec A into cosec A. Here we take the left side of the given identity and prove that it is equal to right side. Left side we take LHS. LHS is the left side, left hand side LHS, and right side, right hand side RHS. We take the LHS and prove that it is equal to RHS. What is our LHS? LHS is equal to tan A plus cot A. What is tan A? Quotient relation sin A by cos A plus cot A is cos A by sin A. Taking LCM, cos A sin A upon first one sin A by cos A into cos A sin A plus cos A by sin A into cos A sin A equals cos A cancelled, sin A into sin A, sin square A plus sin A cancelled, cos A into cos A, cos square A divided by cos A into sin A. We know that one relation sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 1 by cos A into sin A equals 1 by cos A into 1 by sin A. What is 1 by cos A? 1 by reciprocal relation. 1 by cos A is sec A into 1 by sin A is cosec A equals RHS. Look at the RHS, sec A into cosec A. Question number 2. In sometimes we take the RHS and prove that it is equal to LHS. Prove that sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A is equal to 1. Here also we take the LHS, sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A is equal to, what is sec A? Sec A is 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A right itself into again the sec A is 1 by cos A plus tan A is sin A divided by cos A equals 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A into, here cos LCM, cos A upon 1 plus sin A equals 1 by cos A into cos A is cos square A into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A equals 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 square minus sin square A. 1 square is 1 equals 1 square minus sin square A sin A whole square whole divided by cos square A equals 1 square 1 sin A whole square is sin square A divided by cos square A. What is 1 minus sin square A? One relation. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A divided by cos square A is equal to 1. 1 is our RHS equals RHS. Now, third question is cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. Take LHS. LHS is cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A is equal to, we change cot A to cos A by sin A minus cos A divided by this cot A cos A by sin A plus cos A. Now we have in the numerator cos A and denominator also cos A. Taking cos A outside from the numerator, cos A outside, this cos A means cos A by 1. Cos A outside, first bracket 1 by sin A minus cos A take outside, 1 by 1 is 1 divided by, here also cos A outside, cos A into 1 by sin A plus 1. Cos A cancelled. What is 1 by sin A? 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A minus 1 divided by, here 1 by sin A is cosec A plus 1. Look at the RHS, which is equal to RHS. Now, next question. Question number 4. Cos raised to 4a minus sin raised to, prove that cos raised to 4a minus sin raised to 4a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Then second question, 1 plus cot a whole square plus 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to 2 cosec square a. Third question, tan raised to 4a plus tan square a is equal to sec raised to 4a minus sec square a. Fourth question have 3 questions. First one, cos raised to 4a minus sin raised to 4a. 1. Take LHS. LHS is cos raised to 4a minus sin raised to 4a. So what is a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4? A raised to 4 is a square square minus b square square. Now this is in the form a square minus b square, where a is equal to a square and b is equal to b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Similarly, we can write cos raised to 4a minus sin raised to 4a is equal to cos square a plus sin square a into cos square a minus sin square a. What is cos square a plus sin square a? 1 into cos square a minus sin square a. Look at our answer. 2 cos square a minus 1. This signs, we change this sin square a in terms of cos square a. That is cos square a minus sin square a is 1 minus cos square A. Reason sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A equals cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A is equal to cos square A plus cos square A 2 cos square A minus 1. What is the answer? 2 cos square A minus 1 is equal to RHS. Now, second question. 1 plus cot A whole square plus 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to 2 cosec square A. 1 plus LHS is equal to 1 plus cot A whole square plus 1 minus cot A whole square. Expand using identity. First one A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB. 2 cot A plus cot square A plus second A minus B whole square. 1 minus 2 cot A plus cot square A. We can cancel 2 cot A minus 2 cot A. 1 plus 1 2 plus cot square A plus cot square A 2 cot square A. Then take 2 outside. 2 into 1 plus cot square A. What is 1 plus cot square A? 2 into 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. So 2 cosec square A. What is our answer? 2 cosec square A equal to RHS. Now, third question. Third question. LHS is equal to tan raised to 4A plus tan square A. Take tan outside, tan square A outside, tan square A into first one tan square A plus second tan square A we take outside, remaining 1 equals what is tan square A? Tan square A is sec square A minus 1 into again next tan square A is sec square A minus 1 plus 1 equals sec square A minus sec square A minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. Sec square A minus 1 into here sec square A minus 1 into sec square A equals sec square A into sec square A, sec raised to 4A minus sec square A equals RHS. Here first take tan square A outside. This is tan square A plus 1. Tan square, change tan square A to c square A minus 1. Here also c square A minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 cancelled. C square A minus 1 into c square A equals multiplying throughout by c square A. C raised to 4A minus c square A equal to RHS. Now next question. Prove that question number 5. Prove that sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A is equal to 2 cosec A. Take LHS. LHS is equal to sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A by sin A equals, taking LCM, 1 plus cos A into sin A equals sin A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A into sin A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A into sin A equals 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A cancelled, sin A into sin A, sin square A plus sin A cancelled, 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A whole square divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A equals sin square A plus 1 plus cos A whole square is 1 plus 2 cos A plus cos square A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A equals, here sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A equals 2 common, that take outside, 2 into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. Now 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A gets cancelled, 2 by sin A. What is 1 by sin A is cosec A. So 2 by sin A is 2 cosec A equal to RHS. 2 cosec A is the answer. Now 6th question. Question number 6. 1 plus cos A. Prove that 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A whole square is equal to cosec A plus cot A whole square. To prove this, we take the RHS and prove that it is equal to LHS. Take the RHS. RHS is equal to cosec A plus cot A the whole square. What is cosec A? Cosec A is 1 by sin A plus cot A is cos A by sin A the whole square. Taking LCM, sin A upon 1 plus cos A the whole square. Now write each one square. 1 plus cos A whole square by sin A square is sin square A equals 1 plus cos A whole square divided by sin square A is 1 minus cos square A equals 1 plus cos A whole square is 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos square A is in the form A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. 1 plus cos A into, so 1 minus cos square A is 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. One minus cos A. Now 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A cancelled. So our answer is here. Question 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosec A plus cot A whole square. So our answer is 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A equals, LHS equals LHS. Now homework 21A 1 to 15. Thank you.